In today's video, I'm going to teach you Instagram lacks a native blur tool, but you can blur photos and stories using effects, drawing, or external editors. Even though Instagram doesn't have a built-in blur brush, there's a quick in-app workaround using story effects. This method is fast, looks polished, and doesn't require any extra apps. Let's walk through it clearly so you can blur faces or backgrounds in just a few taps. Start by opening Instagram and tapping the plus icon to create something new. From the options, choose Story. You can either select a photo from your gallery or take a new picture right inside the camera. If you're choosing from your gallery, pick the image you want to blur and confirm it so it opens in the Story editor. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a row of circular effect icons near the shutter button. Swipe left on those icons to browse through the effect options. Keep swiping to move through the list. You're looking for the search tool at the end of the effects row. When you reach the end, tap the magnifying glass to open the effect search. In the search bar, type blur or blur face. This will pull up a variety of community-created filters designed to blur specific areas, like faces, or larger areas like backgrounds. Filters can vary over time, so feel free to explore a couple to see which one fits your photo best. Tap an effect to preview it on your image. Many blur effects include on-screen controls like a slider to adjust intensity. Move the slider until the blur looks natural, strong enough to hide details, but not so heavy that the photo looks overly processed. Some effects target faces automatically, while others emphasize the background. Choose the one that suits your goal. If a filter doesn't behave the way you expect, back out and try another from the search results until you're happy with the look. Once you've got the blur exactly where you want it and at the right strength you're ready to share, tap your story to post it. This publishes the blurred photo to your story for your followers to view for 24 hours, giving you a quick and simple way to protect privacy or create a stylish, softened background without leaving the app. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.